Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Instagram. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to click on the lower right corner and click on your profile picture. Then when you're at the landing page of your profile, I want you to click on three straight lines on the top right. Okay. Then when you have the settings menu, I want you to click on settings and privacy. Now, pay very close attention guys, this is where the magic happens. I want you to scroll down to the section what you see, okay? Then I want you to click on like and share counts. When you click over here, you could see that you can simply hide like and share counts. This is very important because this simply will change the game for the way how you interact with the app. On Instagram, the number of likes on posts and reels from other accounts will be hidden. You can also hide the number of likes of your own post or reels by going to advanced settings before sharing. Let me show you how to do that. All you gotta do is to click on the plus sign at the lower center of the screen. Let's say we want to upload this picture over here. Then we click next, right? Then we click next, and right before publishing guys, the way how we're gonna set the settings to hide the likes on our post will be to scroll down and click on advanced settings, the last option. When you click on advanced settings, there is an option over here, the second one, which it says hide like and view counts on this post. So essentially after we publish this, no one beside us will be able to see how many people saw the post and how many people liked the post. It's very easy guys, very simple. But in this video I show you how to hide your likes and other people's likes, your views and other people's views, okay? For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more.